Hello everyone, I'm Dera Yuniara Wijiastuti. In this video, I will make snacks with only 2 ingredients. Want to know how? Well, let's get started. The materials needed are instant noodles and sausage. How to cook it? First, boil the instant noodles as usual. Add the spices but only half of it and the oil, then stir until evenly distributed. Next, cut the sausage. Keep rolling the noodles into the sausage. After that, heat the oil and fry the sausage noodle rolls. Don't forget to turn it over so it doesn't burn. After that, drain the sausage, then add sauce and mayonnaise. And ta-da! Yay! So many video tutorial for me. Good luck! Thank you for watching.